In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to create a company, how to alter the details which you have already created in the company, and how to delete a company. So, moving further, I'll open my Tally software, which is on my desktop, and I have downloaded Tally 9. So once you open the Tally software, there'll be a dialog box which will come related to the company information. And the first is select company, create company, backup, restore, quit. So if you have already created companies in your Tally software, then only this option will be there, that is select company. So though we need to create a company today, let's learn how to create a company. I'll just select this particular option and press enter. And on this page, I can create the company. So the first is directory. Directory basically tells where the data of this company will be saved. So the data of Tally is automatically saved in the Tally software. So we do not have the right to even edit it. So now they ask the name. So supposingly the name is ABCD Limited. I want to create a company with the name of ABCD Limited. It will ask the mailing name. So mailing name, once you want to post something, once you want to mail something, important document to this particular company. So what should be the mailing name and the address? So the mailing name will be same as the name of the company. Pressing enter again. The address you can write down. So supposingly this company is in Delhi. I'm just mentioning Delhi. I can write it over here. Then statutory compliance for. So for which country they are applying the accounting policies. So once I come on to this particular option, so on your right hand side, you can see the list of countries of which the Tally 9 is opt and use, and you can select this particular company of which you want to create the company. So I'm selecting India. State again, you can select. Pin code also you can select, supposingly. These are all hypothetical. Telephone number also. Email address also you can write down. This is all hypothetical, and you need to write only when it's given the question. So the currency symbol in India, the local currency is used as rupees. So we'll be using that only. Now accounts maintain. So basically your accounts can be maintained by two ways, accounts only and accounts with inventory. What do you mean by accounts only? So the companies who do not deal with inventory are basically into just exporting and importing something or providing services, who do not deal with any sort of inventory or stock. Those companies considered to be maintaining accounts only, rather than companies which are dealing with manufacturing, they are obtaining raw materials, putting it into work in progress, selling it up, their purchase and sales things would be there. So in that type, the company that has to be chosen is basically the accounts with inventory. So supposingly I just choose my ABCD Limited is only accounts only. Again, this particular thing can only be decided by reading a question, or that if there is an inventory in that question, then you should maintain accounts with inventory. But if that question doesn't say anything, so you can uh, enter accounts only. The next seek, it says that financial year from. So my financial year of my ABCD Limited company starts from 1st April 2020. So I'll just edit, just press enter, books beginning from automatically comes out to be 1st for 2020. Tally Vault passwords. Sometimes some companies are very official, and I don't want in my PC is being used by many people, so I want nobody to open this particular company and um, do something with it unethical. So I can put a password over here so that my data is saved. My there could be a maintenance of secrecy in my organization. So here it is there in order to put some security to your creation of the company. Then use security control. I'm not using any security control, so no. So the below leaf related to this creation company page is basically related to base currency information. So as we know, the home currency or the local currency or the base currency of India is rupees. So it's just telling about the currency amount which you will be applying of. So the currency is rupees, the formal name is Indian rupees, number of decimals which you want. If you want to change the number of decimals, you can change. Maybe you want zero, no decimal, you want round out numbers. So anything you people want to change, you can change. And if you want to stick to what is been there, you can stick as well. Is simple suffix to amounts. So if you do not want symbols affixed to the amounts, so no. If you want it, yes. Symbol for decimal portion. So decimal के बाद जो portion आता that is पैसे. Show amount in millions? No. Put a space between amount and symbol? Yes. Decimal places for printing amounts in words too. So once you're over with this, there'll be a dialog box which says accept yes or no. So in Tally software, this is something which comes in on every page while going to the next page, and it is basically saving your data, right? So you can click either on enter or on Y or no Y in order to save the information. But if you do not want to save it, just click N and it will not save the data. So supposingly I press enter, and now you can see my company will be created by restoring all the data which I have feeded into this particular page while creating the company. So now you can see the gateway of Tally on your screen, and this is basically the home page of Tally software, where from where you basically can start your workings in this particular company. Now, though we have learned how to create a company, now I'll teach you how to alter any information in the Tally software. So you just click on Alt F3. By clicking on Alt F3, there'll be a dialog box that is company info, which has some options with like select company, shut company, create a company, alter, change Tally vault, that is the Tally password, split company data, backup, restore, quit. So I have created a company and I wanted to alter some of its information which I had feed it wrongly. So let's alter it. I'll click on alter. You can select a company that is ABC Limited, and now you can go back to that page where you have created the company. So ABCD Limited, again I got it, and supposingly I want to change its number. Supposingly, after reading the question, I got to know that it is accounts with inventory. So I'm just selecting accounts with inventory. These are the two things which I would like to change. So I'll just accept it and my data would be stored. This is how your information is being stored by changing the some of the requirements which are seen or observed at a later stage, and you can change them while going to the alter button. Now, if you want to delete that company only, so again go to the alter, select the company and click on Alt plus D. I'll repeat, click on Alt plus D, and then if you want to delete the company, click Y, and if you do not want to delete the company, then click No. Now, supposingly, I want to delete this company, then I'm clicking on Y. It will ask me, are you sure? Yes. I'm clicking again on Y, and my company is deleted. Now I'll just show you in my select company that no ABCD Limited company could be found in my Tally software. So this is how a company in Tally software can be created, can be altered, and can be deleted. Thank you.